In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new rule in QuickBooks. Rules in QuickBooks Online help you automate how bank transactions are recognized and categorized, saving time and creating consistency. Let's walk through creating a new rule from start to finish, and I'll point out a few tips to keep things clear as you go. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing in to your company. On the left-hand navigation, look for the Accounting section. Go ahead and click Accounting to open the area where you manage your books and banking activity. From there, navigate to the Banking or Transactions page and open the Rules tab. This is your command center for creating, viewing, and managing all of your transaction rules. In the top right corner of the Rules page, click New Rule. This opens the rule editor. First, give your rule a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, if you're automating fuel purchases, something like fuel expense rule makes it easy to identify at a glance. Next, set your conditions. Conditions tell QuickBooks which incoming bank line items this rule should look for. You'll see fields like description or bank text along with options such as contains. Choose description, set it to contains, and type a keyword or phrase that reliably appears on those transactions. Using the same example, you might enter fuel, gas, or the name of a specific station that appears on your bank feed. Keep the keyword specific enough to capture the right transactions, but not so narrow that it misses legitimate matches. If you notice multiple common variations, you can add additional condition lines to catch them without overreaching. Below the conditions, complete the details for how you want QuickBooks to handle matches. Depending on your setup, you may see fields to select the transaction type, payee, and the expense or income category. Filling these in ensures that when a transaction meets your conditions, QuickBooks will pre-fill it exactly the way you want. If there's a memo or class you consistently apply, add that here as well to keep your reporting tidy. Before you finalize, you can test the rule now or later. Use the test option to preview how many existing transactions would match without applying any changes. This is a quick way to confirm your keywords and settings are dialing in the right activity. Once everything looks good in the preview, review your choices one more time. When you're confident, click Save. Your new rule is now active, and future bank fee transactions that meet your conditions will follow these instructions automatically, reducing manual work and improving accuracy.